Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the account basics because many errors come from incomplete setup. Sign in to Settings and open iTunes and App Store. This forces the system to check account state. Make sure your email was verified and two-factor authentication is enabled, then review billing and country settings so purchases and agreements can apply. Once done, tap your Apple ID and choose View Apple ID to prompt the iTunes Terms and Agreements, which often resolves the Not Yet Been Used block immediately. Now you address the common midstream blockers, terms, billing, and region. When View Apple ID opens, accept all terms and conditions. This authorizes iTunes use. Next, update your billing. Add a valid payment method or choose none for free content, because iTunes sometimes requires a payment method even when zero charge applies. Also make sure the payment address matches your Apple ID country. Mismatches create verification failures. After saving changes, restart the App Store to let the updated details propagate across Apple services. Finish by forcing a fresh authentication cycle. Sign out from iTunes and the App Store, restart your device, then sign back in. This clears stale tokens and pushes new permissions. Try downloading a free app to trigger the activation flow. You'll be prompted to accept terms again if needed. If the problem persists, reset your Apple ID password to refresh credentials, and if that fails, contact Apple support with specific error text and device details so they can check server-side account flags.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.